Philippine Air Force 15th Strike Wing Wishlist for Horizon 3. Based on the unit's submitted Horizon 3 plans, the 15th Strike Wing of the Philippine Air Force is interested in going up the ladder for their future strike platforms. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel. 3 new platform types are needed to improve their ability to launch surface strikes according to some analysts. Let's start. Multirole fighters, which can perform air support, surgical strikes, maritime strikes, and even air defense requirements, are being considered as a potential replacement for surface strike platforms in the future. The platforms that are most likely in use, the F-16 Fighting Falcon and the Eurofighter Typhoon, are appropriate for this requirement. It's possible that the 15th Strike Wing will receive at least one squadron of the used F-16s that are scheduled to be purchased in multiple squadrons from US or third-party sources. Unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAV. These aircraft have a long range and can deliver guided munitions. They can also be used as a low-cost option for ISR, surgical strikes, and limited air support. They can also provide real-time imagery to ground units. According to reports, the US-made General Atomics MQ-20 Avenger and the Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 are the potential platforms being considered to meet this need. With improved lethality, endurance, and firepower delivery in a variety of missions, including combined or joint operations on fiercely contested airspace, the heavy attack helicopter is a valuable tool. As a potential platform for this requirement, the AH-64 Apache, without a specific variant and most likely from EDA sources either from the US or strategic partners, is being considered. Aside from funding from the Philippine government, the US-Philippine Security Sector Assistance Roadmap seems to be the most significant component. However, the plan's defense secretary mentioned can meet these requirements. Gilberto Teodoro is pushing through a revision of the Horizon 3 phase. What do you think of the wish list of the 15th Strike Wing of the Philippine Air Force? Will the Marcos administration reapprove the new Horizon 3 plan? Write your comment below. This ends our video. Like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.